friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today I have a lot of makeup on. Let's address the elephant in the room. I just filmed a video that will hopefully be up on my channel soon if it's not already, and it was me doing a get ready with me, trying the Christy Beauty X Colourpop, there we go, collection, and I am obsessed. So I hope you guys enjoy that video. It's a little different from what I normally do, but I hope you guys like it. And like I said, that should be coming very soon. But today we are sitting down to do one of our favorite unboxings here on my channel, and that is, of course, our Stitch Fix unboxing. This is for the month of November. It's a little bit delayed. I do apologize, but as always, I wanted to unbox it with you, go through all of my pieces together for this month, try them on for you guys to see what they look like on my body. You all know the drill. We've been doing this for a while. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the box for this month. All right, friends. So as always, you do get 5 items in your Stitch Fix. You can do it bi-monthly, weekly, no, bi-weekly. I always get this mixed up. You get it monthly, bi-weekly, once a quarter, and I think yearly. I'll leave the options down below. Regardless, I do it monthly, which you guys really seem to enjoy. And let's go ahead and see what I got for this month from my stylist. The first thing we have here on the top is a very large, almost like, what is this? Not Sherpa, but like sheepy kind of material. This is really cute and huge. Like, this is gigantic. It was wrapped up all by itself. And this is the MPG Sport Chill Out Hoodie in gray, size small. So this is really cute. It's a quarter zip, which I like, but is not usually my favorite. And like I said, it's really huge with like this kind of like Sherpa-y material. I don't know what else to call this. I don't know what this kind of material is, but you guys know, the one that kind of feels very fuzzy and warm. It looks like it'll be great for like working out. It's got the big hood. So yeah, as always, I will be trying this on so we can see what it looks like on my body. Okay, next we have a really cute sweater. This is very cute for fall. I might actually even wear this Thanksgiving if it's that cute on my body, but this is a very cute, like 4-color striped scarf. We've got the red, the orange, the white, and the gray. And this is the PinQ Gina Crewneck Pullover in burnt orange, size small. Very cute, very soft, not super thick. It's a pretty thin type of material. I don't really know as well how well this would wash because it is very kind of that thin type of material, but it is super cute. And like I said, I want to see what it looks like on my body because these kind of sweaters are my favorite for this time of year. Hence what I'm wearing right now. Okay, next we have another sweater, which is also super cute. This one, again, we know on my channel, I cannot wear white, so this will be a very carefully worn sweater if it's super cute. But the best thing about this is these elbow pads, which is a very nice, like, velvety type of feeling material, super cute. And this is the Letty and Me Josie Elbow Patch Pullover in off-white, size small. Super cute, kind of an ivory white cream color, super pretty. Again, kind of a scalloped hem at the bottom. Really like that. And again, I'm just scared of white things. So we'll have to see what this looks like on me to see if it's worth the risk. Okay, next thing we got is something I haven't actually received. No, that's a lie. I think I've gotten one other pair of yoga pants from Stitch Fix before, but these are really cute capri cut yoga pants in just a plain basic black with a cute little like lotus flower on the back, it looks like. And these are the Beyond Yoga Gabriella Capri Performance Legging in black, size small. Super cute, really stretchy. Seems like it's got a really tight, like kind of will hold you in waistband. And yeah, I think these are super cute. Love that. All right, and the last thing in this box for this month is a pair of jeans, pretty typical of a Stitch Fix box. Like I said in the past, I'm pretty hit or miss on the Stitch Fix jeans. It all kind of depends on what they end up sending, but these look pretty cute. They've got a little bit of kind of distressing up here at the top, kind of more of a light fade in the jeans, in the thighs, and these are, where's the tag? These are the blank NYC Gloria High Rise Skinny Jean in indigo, size 2. So we will have to try them on and see what they look like on my body. You all know the drill. Alright guys, so that was everything from this month's box. Now let's go ahead and see what everything looks like on my body. Alright friends, you know the drill. Try on portion of the video. This is of course that cute white sweater with the little elbow patches. I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like this sweater. It's so cozy, but it's not too like thick, and I feel like it would be a perfect layering sweater. I feel like it fits really well, and it's not too see-through. Like, I'm wearing a gray sports bra underneath this, and I don't think it's that easy to tell. Like, I know you can see through it a little bit, but it makes me feel a little better about wearing stuff underneath it. I think this is cute. I might go for it. Also, the jeans, let's talk about those for a second. Those are pretty cute, nothing crazy to write home about. I like them, the fit's pretty good. They're pretty stretchy, but again, I'm not like in love with them enough, I think, to like go with them. I don't know. As always, you guys let me know what you think. Okay friends, second sweater that we've got going on. I actually really like this one. It's really cozy. It's actually a little more see-through, I think, than the white one was because of this cream panel right here. I just feel like this is a very cute, festive fall sweater. It's cozy. It's really thin, to be honest. Like, it's not super warm, but I think for living in California, that's okay. It doesn't need to be like the super warmest thing ever, but I just think this would be so cute, like under a jacket or just layered with some cute necklaces. I like this one as well. I think this would be a really cute fall piece. Let me know what you guys think. Okay friends, last two items in this month's box for November. We have, of course, the kind of workout outfit. This is, of course, that giant, like, Sherpa type. It's not Sherpa. You guys can kind of see the kind of, like, wool material for this. I like this more than I thought I would. However, this comes up so high on my neck, and I wish when you unzip it that this was just open. I think I would like it so much more. The just, like, open bib part of this just kind of kills it for me, so I'm not super thrilled about this one. And the yoga pants, I really like them. They're pretty thin, they fit pretty well. They're capri, but on my legs they go almost down to the ankles, so I feel like it just looks like they're cut a little bit short, but the fit is pretty good. They go up super high-waisted. Like, on me, they come up super, super high. So the fit of them I'm not super mad at, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not like super in love with either of these. So as always, you guys let me know what you think. Alright friends, that was everything I got in this month's Stitch Fix. Please let me know down in the comments below which items were your favorite. I love to hear you guys' comments as always. And yeah, that's it for this month's video for Stitch Fix. Subscribe to see more of my face. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!